These are the fills to the first chorus of Godzilla. I'll go over it with the music for you once, and then we'll do it note by note. Okay, so let's hit this thing note for note now. It all starts on the 3rd fret with our 2nd finger on the 1st string and our 1st finger on the 2nd fret on the 1st string. And what we're going to do is pluck the 3rd string note, pull to the 2nd string note, and then to the open 1st string. So what we have is this. Next we pluck the open string, this open 2nd string, back to the open 1st string. So what we have so far is this. After that, we bring our 1st finger over here to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string and bend it. I like to bend it downwards. Gives it a little more bite that way. Bring it back, pull to open, and then 1st finger pops over here to 2nd fret, 4th string. So the whole thing looks like this. So that whole lick, when we put it all together, the next lick is going to look like this. And what we're doing here is we start with our index finger on the 1st string and 2nd string, both on the 2nd fret, bar them, pluck them both, and then bring our 3rd finger over here to the 4th fret of the 3rd string, bend it, so we have this, and then we're going to do it again. So the whole thing, bring it back down, pull the 2nd fret, 3rd string with our 1st finger, and then our 3rd finger is going to land down here on the 4th fret of the 4th string. So we have. And then we go back to this note. From there we're going to go to the 4th fret, 4th string with our 3rd finger, and then roll it over to the 5th string, also on the 4th fret. Like so. This is the last note of our first phrase. Next 2 notes. And then we're going to have our 1st finger over the 4th string and 3rd string of the 2nd fret. And then we're going to do a little number that looks like this. And what I'm doing here is your 3rd finger, 4th fret, 5th string, and then 2 of these. So we got like so. And then we're going to hit these 2 notes here, which is the 3rd string and 2nd string, 2nd fret. So we have. So far, when we put the whole phrase together, and then we're going to wrap it up with this, which is our 4th fret, 3rd string, 3rd finger note bent again. 1st finger comes over here to 2nd fret, 1st string, and then we're going to hit the 4th fret note. We're still bent here, you might notice, and then bring it back down. So that whole thing. Put it all together. Third fill is the same as the first fill. fourth fill is going to be a lot easier than the second fill, but it's still down here where we bar these, and we're going to go kind of a rhythmic thing along with the music. So listen close to the music for that one. It's just these two notes. Kind of played in a staccato fashion. Staccato meaning short little notes. You're going to play them and cut them right off. From there, the last lick of it looks like this. And what I'm doing here is I'm starting on the 9th fret of the 5th string, then to the 12th fret with my pinky, bouncing over here to the 4th string, 9th fret, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 10, 9, 10, 11. Then we're going to pluck just the 9th fret note here on the 3rd string with our 1st finger, skip over to 2nd string with our 2nd finger. So what we have so far is this. Next we use our 3rd finger on the 11th fret of the 3rd string, the 9th fret, 3rd string, bring our 3rd finger over here to 12th fret, 2nd string, bend it, release it, pull the 10th, 2nd finger comes over here to 3rd string, 11th fret. And that covers it for the first chorus fills. Let's move along.